Hello everyone, I'm Sia. Today, I will add a new key for 2013 Dodge Junior. Now we need to use K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, the original car key, and a Lonsdor smart key. Okay, let's plug in the OBD communication cable.
Select Generate Smart Key. Choose Dodge. Journey. Select the menu for the 2008 to 2018 EEPROM Challenger. Put our key in the card slot. Click Generate. OK. Generated successfully. No need to continue generating. Select Cancel. Return to main menu. Select Demo and Remote. Find Dodge. Select from Vehicle, Asia. Journey. Select the menu for 2011 to 2014. Smart Key. The first step is to read the PIN code. About to start reading PIN codes. PIN code reads successfully. OK, then we choose to add Smart Key. Turn off the ignition. Turn on double flash. OK, please make sure there are no other wireless devices. OK, the PIN code is automatically entered. OK. The key to be programmed within 30 seconds is close to the ignition switch. Press the unlock button. Programming successful. Number of programmed keys 5. OK. Let's see if the key works. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The key starts the car successfully. Let's try again to see if the original car key can drive normally. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The original car key starts the car successfully. Let's try to see if the remote control is normal. New key lock car. Unlock. Original car key lock car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
Programming successfully. Stay tuned for our next video.